Problem set 2, group 6, Monica Murphy. The next question we're going to look at is problem 7C. In a study to test the hypothesis that non-aspirin pain relievers are associated with liver damage, investigators identified 289 adults aged 18 to 64 who had been hospitalized with liver damage. 282 without liver damage who had been hospitalized were chosen as controls. So this is a really good example of analytic epidemiology and a case control study with the hospital-based population as cases, because both the cases and the controls were from a hospital population. So this case study design, I chose to use a 2x2 table so that you could fill in the information given by the problem here. So we have cases who have liver damage, controls are the ones who do not have liver damage, and then you can add in those who have taken pain or non-aspirin pain relievers and those who have not taken non-aspirin pain relievers, and they give us the totals here. And so I figured, you can figure out the total of 571 by adding these two together. So